In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add Amazon products to your Wix website. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end, you'll have a solid grasp of how to link your Amazon products directly onto your Wix platform, making it easier for your customers to find the items you're promoting. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Head over to your Wix dashboard, which is your home base for managing your site. Here, you'll find all the options you need to customize and update your content. Within the dashboard, look for the Catalog section and click on Products. This is where all your existing products are listed, and it's where you'll be adding new ones. Next, we're going to add a new product. Look for the New Product button. Clicking this will open a form for entering details about the product you want to add from Amazon. Since we're adding a tangible item, select Physical Product. This option is suitable for any product that requires shipping or a physical delivery. Now it's time to scout for a product on Amazon that you want to showcase on your Wix site. Navigate to Amazon and search through the categories or use the search bar to find something specific, like kitchen items, for instance. Once you've found a product, click on its image to open the product details page. When the product page loads, right-click on the product image and either copy or save this image to your computer. This will serve as the product image on your Wix site, visually connecting the Amazon product to your online store. Back in your Wix dashboard, you'll want to click on Add Images and either upload the image you saved or paste the one you copied. Once the image is uploaded, click on Add to Page to integrate it into your product listing. Next, you'll need to provide some information about the product. Go back to the Amazon page and copy the product name. Return to Wix and paste the product name in the designated field. It's helpful to also copy the product description from Amazon to give your customers detailed information about what they are browsing. Set the price for the product as it appears on Amazon. This helps maintain price consistency across platforms, which is crucial for customer trust. After setting the price, complete the inventory and shipping section. Even though this item is sourced from Amazon, entering this information helps manage your sales and tracks what you have available. If the product comes in different varieties, add those under Product Options. This could include different colors, sizes, or features, depending on what the product offers on Amazon. Finally, once you've entered all the details, click on Save to publish the product to your site. And that's it! You've successfully added an Amazon product to your Wix website, making it a part of your online store offerings. This integration not only enhances the range of products you offer, but also enriches the shopping experience for your visitors. Remember, repetition builds mastery, so feel free to go through this process with multiple products to keep your inventory fresh and engaging.